straightforward, easy scalping technique or method that you can implement starting right now in today's trading session or tomorrow, depending on when you're watching this video. But you come to the right place. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to find easy scalps every single New York session for 10, 15, 20 pips. So if you're looking to get in, get out of the market, this is the one for you. Now, this concept is derived from Inner Circle Trader OTE pattern recognition series. So I drop a link in the bio here to guide you in the right direction on how to really learn this strategy to the science. But for this video, I want to give it to you point blank period and no chaser. So what we have here is a New York kill zone that starts at 8:30 a.m. New York time. If you get a chance, download the kill zone boxes. So what you want to do is you're going to come in and you're going to see, you're going to measure, you're going to get your fib extension tool, okay? You're going to measure from 8:30, the body, the low of that body, if we're bullish, to where you see that turning point, where you see price goes up and it starts to drop down. So right there, you want to drop your fib on the high of that body. And then when you come in, the levels that you want to take the entry at is the 62, the 70, or the 79. But preferably 62.70 is kind of like your sweet spot. Here it came to the 62 and the 70. If you took it at the 62, that's 30 pips, plus 30 pips, easy, 35 pips. Already you're out. If if your goal was 10, if your goal was 15, 20, you definitely had a lot of room for that. Obviously, there's a lot more that goes into this strategy, so I'm going to develop a series on this. But like I said, if you want to really get the full OTE pattern recognition series, definitely check out Inner Circle Trader. But this is exactly how you can catch, very easy, straight to the point, make some money, get in, get out, low risk, high reward. Your stop loss is typically going to be below this fib extension tool. But I mean, typically, I'm getting a 10 pip stop loss and I'm out, because you should know you'll get a reaction off of these price points around New York kill zone pretty immediately. So you'll know if you're going to win a trade or not pretty fast. So definitely implement this. Let me know how it works for you guys. If you see any value in it, if you made any money, make sure you comment below. Make sure you like and subscribe as well.